Here's the home page of Clipchamp. You're going to see how to create a new video from scratch. To get back to the last menu, press this icon and choose back to home. Notice how Clipchamp saves automatically. Let's click to return to the video. Once again, this time we'll delete the video that's been created. You get a few moments to change your mind. So let's look at the interface a little bit now. This area is where you will put all your assets. More on that shortly. On the left toolbar is record and create your own content and text to speech. Some templates. Free music. Free video clips. Free images. You can add text to your videos and use a pre-built option. There's some pre-made graphics and transitions to enhance your video. On the right-hand side is the auto captions plus some other buttons that we'll start to use as we build a video. Slide the menus if you need to.